friend zone Among Us. So let's go to play. After that, go to online mode, find game. You can enter any game. After entering the game, you can copy ROM code. I think we should just wait a minute. After entering the ROM, you can copy the ROM code on the right side of your screen. As you can see, ROM code. After that, copying this ROM code, you can give this code to your friend, or your friend give it to you. Then go to private, enter your code, and after that you can enter the ROM. So here you can see how to play on Among Us with your friends. Thanks for watching. Like my video and subscribe my channel.